Have you been looking to buy a new home, but you're not digging these interest rates? Today, I'm going to show you how you can buy a new house and get a 4.99% interest rate for the fixed year of the loan. So stick around. Hey, what's up guys? We are back today and we're checking out more new construction with killer incentives on it. And the one that has got me really excited right now is something that I feel is gonna make homeownership obtainable for a lot more people. And it's also gonna make the pain of these higher interest rates a lot more easy to deal with. So we're checking out another model today by Adams Homes in St. John's Preserve in Palm Bay. But I'm gonna give you more information on these incentives and why I think this is gonna really help a lot of people get into home ownership. So let's walk and talk a little bit. I'll give you the rundown on the incentives and on the home as we go. So this is the Adams 1635 model. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, and just like the name implies, it's 1,635 square feet. If you don't know yet, Adams doesn't necessarily give their homes a name. The models or their floor plans are a number, which is consistent with the square footage of the home. So let's go inside and take a look. All right, so come on in. This is a split floor plan home. So we looked at another home previously that was the 1728, had a massive kitchen. If you guys are interested in that, I'll link that up here so you can check it out. But the biggest downside to that home that we get is it's not a split bedroom floor plan. What this home is. So as soon as you come in, you've got the kitchen right off the front. I'm digging the gray tone cabinets that they put in. If you guys aren't familiar with Adams, they're definitely a budget friendly builder. So you do get like a shaker style wood cabinet, but they don't give you granite. This is a Formica countertop, but it has a granite look with the beveled edge right there. And you get a partial appliance package. So there is no refrigerator, but you do get the range, microwave, and dishwasher right there. You'll also notice they do crown molding on their cabinets, which I think is a good feature, especially because it's a budget friendly home. So it's a little bit more of an add-on. Since we're here, I'll show you the laundry room and the garage, which is obviously right off of the kitchen. And basic 2-car garage, nothing extra. Storm shutters are nicely bundled there in the corner. So you've got your kitchen and laundry accessible right off of the garage and right off of the front door. So ceramic tile standard in the wet areas, and then the standard in all the living spaces is carpet. Now, of course, you can have this upgraded at an additional charge, but if you're trying to find the best value and the best deal, focusing on quick move-ins, meaning homes like this that are ready now, is really what's going to give us the ability to take advantage of those incentives. So you'll notice up here in the front is the master bedroom, and then you've got a dining and living room combo. So this room total is about 17 by 14. And there's actually an option to put a fireplace in here, which isn't something that's necessarily as common here in Florida, but Adams does offer a fireplace as an option. So down the hallway, you've got closet here with your air handler. So that's inside the house. And then over here, we've got bedrooms 2 through 4. So you've got 2 bedrooms right here in the back. Both of these are about, well, one of them is 10 by 12. The other one is like a 10 by 11. So this one's a little bit bigger at 10 by 12. This one's closer to a 10 by 11. Then you've got bathroom 2 here, single sink vanity, finished with the same type of cabinetry and countertop as you saw in the kitchen. And then over here, bedroom 2, this is going to be the biggest of the secondary bedrooms. This comes in at about 12 by 13. So this will be the biggest of those additional 3. And this gives you an idea of what you can expect for the closet. Obviously, like we've shown you before, they've got the vaulted ceilings, which I think is nice, gives the home a much bigger and open feel. This particular one is obviously situated on a waterfront lot. So there's no additional lot premium for that because it's priced as it is, ready to go. So you've got a nice view of that. All right, and then up here, I'll show you the master. Now, we've gotten feedback from some people that they don't necessarily want their master in the front of the house. So if that's something that you kind of agree with, or you don't necessarily like a master in the front, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because we are going to be doing another walkthrough on a different Adams floor plan that's similar in size, but it actually has the master in the back of the house. So subscribe to the channel, and then when that video drops, you'll get that notification. And then when it is available, I'll link that up in the description for you guys. So this bedroom is, let me pull out the spec sheet here. This is a 12 by 15. This is a 12 by 15 walk-in closet here. And then the bathroom, dual sinks. Now the toilet doesn't have any type of partition or separation there. And there's a couple different configurations that you can get with this bathroom. They do have an option where you can have a garden tub here and then a shower over here where the linen closet is. So that is an option, but of course we're trying to focus on incentives on homes that are ready, move in ready, like this particular one. So let's get into what these incentives are. I know in the beginning I teased a little bit about a 4.99 interest rate. And so the way this works is on and this can change from time to time, right? So depending on when you're watching this video, the incentives may be different. The inventory is most likely going to be different. So definitely reach out to us if you're trying to get the most up-to-date information on incentives. I've got our contact information down in the description. You can call, text, or email us. But for right now, in this particular community, this is St. John's Preserve, Adams Homes. This home that we're in, this is the 1635. It's priced at $352,000. And for the move-in ready homes like this, they're offering $10,000 in flex cash, which is essentially $10,000 that you can use at your discretion. They're also offering to pay all closing costs if you use their preferred lender. So no closing costs, $10,000 in concessions, $1,000 deposit. So essentially you can get into contract and only have to put $1,000 into escrow for this home. And then of course, the thing that I'm really excited about is this 4.99% interest rate. And essentially the way this works is Adams Homes has pooled a bunch of money into almost like a grant fund. And so any buyers that qualify for a mortgage, now it has to either be like an FHA or VA loan, but if you're an FHA or VA buyer, you qualify for a mortgage with their preferred lender. They're essentially going to buy down your interest rate, so it's 4.99% for year 2 through 30 on your loan. Now I know I just said year 2, so what's the catch? What's year 1? Well, year 1 is actually 3.99%. So year 1, they're offering 3.99%, and then 2 through 30, 4.99. So I think it's super incredible. Of course, with new construction, you're gonna also get a much lower insurance premium on the home. So if we're looking at getting into homeownership or getting into real estate, and we're trying to make it as affordable as possible, I think this is a great opportunity. So if you guys haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check out our other videos. I'll see you next time.